Well, this is kind of alarming. Not surprising, but alarming. BYD are in talks to take over at least one of Volkswagen's car factories in Germany. Yeah, this is kind of concerning if you are, well, if you're interested in keeping legacy automakers alive. Hello, my friends. Welcome to the channel. I'm Sam Evans. Great to have you with us. Apparently, BYD are in talks with Volkswagen to take over their factory in Dresden in Germany. MG Xpeng, they're among other Chinese EV makers interested in utilizing Volkswagen's European car plants to make their vehicles. So really, Volkswagen are moving away from Europe to make their cars more in China. And therefore, they've got all this excess production capacity in Germany in these factories. They're also planning on firing, I think, 25,000 staff or something like that, and reducing their production output in Germany because it's so expensive to make cars there. What I believe Xpeng and BYD and these other car companies that are interested are planning on doing is sending the cars as kind of a kit to Germany and then assembling them in Germany in order to get around the tariffs on Chinese electric cars. That's the most likely scenario. So the Chinese automaker would invest in the site and could use the factory and manufacture EVs. Now, a German production site could also help BYD with brand awareness, adding a Made in Germany label, as the company already invests heavily in building its image in Europe. In the month of March, BYD sold 3,438 cars in Germany, which was an increase of 327% year over year. That's a big change. So BYD previously were looking at Spain as their preferred location for their second European car plant. Spain, Car News China says, was attractive because of its low manufacturing costs, industrial infrastructure, cheap electricity, and a good clean energy network. BYD is already building factories in Hungary and Turkey, and now they're obviously looking for one in Western Europe as well. So Germany voted against Europe's additional tariffs on Chinese-made EVs, which Beijing was happy with. And China has been seen putting pressure on countries that supported the tariffs while favoring those that oppose them. Now, Reuters reported in 2024 that Beijing told Chinese automakers to stop major investments in European countries that backed the tariffs. So Poland backed the tariffs, and you can see there are no Chinese automakers planning on car factories in Poland. Leapmotor production at their factory in Spain came about after Spain did not vote. They abstained from voting. So BYD said that they declined to comment on this story, basically meaning the story is correct. Doesn't mean they've signed a deal yet. It just means that negotiations are definitely ongoing right now. So what do you guys think about this? Let me know in the comments. I'm finding it very interesting. Let me know what your thoughts are. Thanks for watching. Thinking about getting solar, a home battery, or an EV charger? Check out Australia's best free comparison tool, because it could save you a lot of money. Guys, click on the link below in the description and you can see how much you can save. Alternatively, give Resync a call. They are the guys who installed my battery and my home solar. I'll put a link to them as well in the description. Need expert advice on what car to buy, what solar system to get, what home battery to get, or potentially for your business? You can get, guys, a one-on-one consultation directly with me, 60 minutes of tailored guidance. This might help you avoid making a huge mistake spending money when you shouldn't, or potentially save you a massive amount of money. Click the link in the description below because I can assist you, and why not? The link is in the description.